How to save your photos before Apple deletes My Photos stream. So Apple may shut down My Photos stream. Here's how to ensure you don't lose your photos. Let's jump right into the steps. For that, you want to open your settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. You just want to go ahead and tap on it. Tap on iCloud, then you want to tap on Photos. You have to make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. Go ahead and turn it on. When you do that, if you're out of space, you will see this option where you want to tap on Upgrade Options. As soon as you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to buy the storage from Apple. You can buy any of it, just tap on it and tap on Buy on the top right corner. Now put your Touch ID to subscribe. After you do that, you want to go ahead and do the further process to buy the iCloud Plus storage. That is one way to secure your photos. Next thing what you can do is you can go ahead and install Google Photos on your iPhone, which can be downloaded through App Store. Just go ahead and open Google Photos on your phone, then tap on your profile on the top right corner. Tap on Preparing Backup, or you will see just Backup, and then you want to tap on Settings on the top right corner. Here you'll have to make sure that Backup is turned on. If Google Photos is also full, you want to go ahead and tap on Start 100 GB Trial. Then tap on Start 100 GB Trial again. Enter your Touch ID. And then you want to go ahead and buy your storage on Google Photos. You can tap on Continue and do the further process to buy the storage. That is how to save your photos before Apple deletes My Photos stream. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.